Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play PUBG Mobile on Samsung DeX. First, connect your compatible Samsung smartphone or tablet to a monitor using a USB-C to HDMI cable or a DeX station. Make sure your device has at least 50% battery life to prevent interruptions. For the best gaming experience, connect a Bluetooth or wired keyboard and mouse to your DeX setup. This will give you precise control, similar to playing on a PC, enhancing your gameplay significantly. Once DeX is active, navigate to your app drawer and launch PUBG Mobile. You might notice the game initially runs in a windowed mode. You can often maximize it for a full-screen experience. Before jumping into a match, go into the game's settings. Adjust the graphics to a balanced or smooth setting to ensure stable frame rates. Then, access the control customization options to map your keyboard and mouse inputs effectively, giving you a competitive edge. To truly master PUBG Mobile on DeX, spend some time customizing your keybinds. Assign keys for essential actions like movement, aiming, shooting, and accessing your inventory. Many players find it helpful to practice these new controls in the training mode before entering live matches. While DeX offers good native support, some advanced users might explore third-party key mapping applications for even finer control over specific actions, though this is often not necessary for a great experience. For an even better PUBG Mobile experience on Samsung DeX, always ensure you have a stable and fast internet connection. This minimizes lag and provides a smoother online experience. Since gaming can consume significant power, keep your Samsung device connected to a charger during long play sessions. Additionally, close any unnecessary background applications running on your phone to free up system resources, allowing PUBG Mobile to run more efficiently and without interruptions.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.